Alright, you can see the head, a little kind of a ball screw, some kind of little Japanese deal that I got from Tom. And up here you can see this little belt. I need to clean it, it's making noise. Anyway, if you watch the mechanism, see how it floats, it's set separate. And what I have on the other side, it's a marker switch. That switch and now to set 0, you can go here. I don't know if you can see this. See, it set itself. And you see the green light came on here as a reference. And that's how it works. But that's the floating head. That's what keeps from tearing stuff up. So it'll come in whenever it gets ready to cut something. It'll go down, it'll do that. And then it'll come down and pierce. So hopefully that helps.